Hi everyone, this is Holly from Hot Humble Pie. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and a big warm hello to my subscribers. I love you guys. Well, today I am going shopping again to peruse my local Dollar Tree. Running up and down the aisles here to see if I'm going to find anything from their final and last shipment of Christmas supplies, because my Dollar Tree tends to get all the good stuff closer towards the actual Christmas time. So I found this Believe sign, super cute, just came out, and the little faux galvanized tree, super cute too for crafting. Even if I have to do it next year, I want to grab these things now because they do tend to come later on the West Coast. And I absolutely love these little mini Let It Snow signs. I picked that one up. I'm going to be doing a winter DIY with that one. And I'm just kind of scanning all of the supplies here in case I see something new, and these bells are new, so I thought I'd grab one of those. And I'm just showing you the end display here because this is stuff that's just come in for me. It's, I love those jingle bells on the right hand side, those big ones. Those are perfect for crafts. It looks like they have some bigger pom-poms. They have a galvanized Santa behind the tree, another little Santa head there, and these signs here, they just came to my local Dollar Tree, and they're really fun because they don't have that paper on the front that you have to worry about. If you craft, you can just paint those directly and then go from there. And then I just thought these were super cute. These are buffalo check dish drying mats, super nice. They have a nice selection now of Christmas scarves that are fun and typical of my Dollar Tree. This was the last three. They're just kind of flopped in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to grab one because these are always wonderful for DIYs. I'm going to be using them for my winter DIYs. And they also got a rather impressive selection of Christmas stockings. I just wanted to show them to you in case some of you haven't seen them yet. Keep your eye out for them. There's Plaid Velvet, just a bunch of really creative, innovative designs that are new to my Dollar Tree. I've never seen them before, and I'm just going to go around this little display to show you so you can see what I'm talking about. I mean, look at that. There's even a shark. So you can hear my son laughing there about the shark stocking, but there are so many fun designs this year, and I totally wanted to share them with you. Now we're coming to the Christmas florals, and it looks like we did not get a second shipment on those. Those are definitely depleted, along with the Christmas ornaments, although there were a couple that I didn't see before, but it doesn't look like they got a huge amount with the second shipment. So here's some little gift tags. I think those make great DIY pieces all year round. Actually, that's not just a Christmas piece. I have some good ideas for those, so I grabbed two of those. And yay, I finally found the bigger bottle bush trees. Those came in with the last shipment, so I am definitely grabbing a bunch of these in green and in white. They've also brought out some super cute designs in the pot holders and little mitten, for heat protection when you're cooking, and some kitchen towels. Great gift sets here, you guys. Beautiful, on trend. And I grabbed one of the pot holders, and for those of you that follow my channel, I made this DIY, which is going to be like a gift basket container for some really neat things I have planned with baking goods, just different stuff I'm going to put in there, and then put tissue paper on top with florals. And here's an extension cord for $1. You can't beat that. Of course, I grabbed one of those. So this is what we have now on the second shipment. I don't really see anything new. Maybe there was one thing up there that I don't remember seeing before, the long ho-ho sign that goes horizontal. I didn't see that. And that large gift tag sign, that huge gift tag. In my Dollar Tree, that was not there. In fact, I don't think any of the horizontal signs. There's that other one called Let It Snow. None of the horizontal signs were there last time. I didn't pick any up this time, but I thought it was worth showing. And here's some super cute hats. This one was on. That's super funny if you're being silly at Christmas time. That's a joke hat. And last year they had the beautiful buffalo check stockings. This year they have this hat here, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous. And there's another one right here, the sweater material. I grabbed one of those because I'm going to be doing a winter DIY with that. Really nice. And here we are going down, I think this might be like a stationery or stocking stuffer, or maybe a Christmas party area. great if you're a teacher and you need little treats to hand out or something like that. But this is what my Dollar Tree has now. And my Dollar Tree's never really organized. I apologize for that. Some of them are so pristine when I watch videos. They look like they're a model home, but they tend to be just boxes laying everywhere. And it makes it kind of fun because it's like a treasure hunt. But look what I found. That's that beloved red truck that we all love, and I grabbed it. The wrapping papers are really nice this year. I mean, I used to have to go to Hallmark to get this kind of wrapping paper. Look at that. That's another great Christmas print there, the plaid. And if you're into vintage Christmas, here's a vintage Santa. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That is so beautiful. And of course they have the modern, wrapping paper as well. They have solid colors. They have cartoons. I mean, they have everything really for everybody out there. But, oh, and here's the buffalo check. It's already selling out. That was there last year. I actually got one because a lady came back to return it. And I was like, oh my gosh, I was in line. And I said, can I have that? As she was returning it. And she said, sure. So I gave her $1 and I grabbed it. But here's our gift bags. I think we got a few new ones in since the last time I was there. And the sun is facing the store. Sorry about that. There's a little bit of a glare. You can't help it when the sun's facing it. At least I don't know how to prevent that. That's just one of those things, unless I go a little bit later. But I wanted to show you the gift bags. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They also have some beautiful tissue paper. Again, in my opinion, kind of a Hallmark status here. And this is what I'm talking about, fun with treasure hunt. I had to move this box to pull out one of these little mini Christmas trees because our Dollar Tree finally got some in green. So I grabbed some for next year. And here's a beautiful display of paper goods. If you want just an easy, quick little Christmas Eve snack or something, those are nice. And then they have these funny little earmuffs. I haven't seen those yet. Those are new to my Dollar Tree. And I'm just going down this aisle and I want to tell you guys about this spray on purple adhesive because it's a really good thing to have in your craft room. It kind of allows you to plan and have a strategy there where you want things to stick. They also have it in a glue stick by Elmer's. I don't know if the Dollar Tree carries it where you are. Mine doesn't. It only has a spray adhesive, but anyway, purple, great idea. It disappears as it dries. And my Dollar Tree finally has large glue sticks. Perfect for me because I usually use a gun that uses large glue sticks. And I'm picking up this palette because I have an idea for a DIY with that. So here I'm looking, there's the craft sticks. I've been waiting for the medium-sized craft sticks. They usually have those and they haven't had them in a long time. So I grabbed these little gift tags instead. Again, great to have in your craft stash. You can make some really neat all year round DIYs with that. And look what they have now, a shadow box. For those of you that watch my channel, I made a beautiful shadow box using the little miniature snowmen and items from the Dollar Tree. That would be a great substitute for that. And I have a great DIY planned for these little miniature photos if I can get them off. I'm going to go ahead and make a winter DIY using these. So for those of you that are looking for fun stocking stuffers for your kids, your grandkids, here's a selection that they're carrying now. Some of it's the same old all year round stuff, but what I'm actually looking for is the towering blocks. This is my Dollar Tree that I count on for that, and they do not have any. And as I move through the aisles, I realize a lot of the aisles are empty. Let me know down below in the comment if any of you are noticing that, because on the West Coast, we have a lot of empty aisles and I was told they're having trouble with shipments. So anyway, I grab a mop. I have a DIY plan for that. And oh my gosh, if you see this, the Mr. Clean eraser, the magic eraser, grab it. That is so awesome. And that is such a good deal at the Dollar Tree. I used to pay almost $5 for those. But here's what I'm talking about. Look at the aisles. They're very, very depleted, and apparently they're having some trouble with shipments from China. I guess things are delayed. Maybe that's why I got my Christmas stuff later. I got a lot of the treasured stuff, closer to Christmas. I don't know. But I go ahead and I grab my sponge brushes. I love these for Mod Podging because you don't have to worry about it getting gummed up or throwing your brush away. You can just throw them away. And I love the chip brushes for dry brushing. Another great find at the Dollar Tree are these little mini high quality lotions. They're super, super emollient, and they have them in the Dove and the Ponds. I thought that was so nice. And they also carry these charcoal, it's activated charcoal facial cleansers and peel off black mask. These are normally really expensive. They've got the nose strips, and they even have a facial cleanser. That would make a great stocking stuffer or gift basket idea, like that little container I made. I could put things like this in it and fill it up and then top it with florals. Really nice. And here's our mugs. I was just looking to see if they have anything nice. They've got a Let's Get Cozy mug, a Be Kind, which is great for your bee season during the summer where we do DIYs. The regular plain mugs, different designs that you've seen before. The top shelf has some cute ones on. And they just have these plates, just kind of showing you what my Dollar Tree is carrying here. And I love the chargers. The chargers are right up there with the pizza pans. You can do beautiful DIYs with them. I'm planning on doing a DIY with this soon. And we have mugs and more mugs and more mugs. I love getting my coffee mugs at the Dollar Tree. I think they have some of the cutest mugs. Look at this one. I zero in on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, I'm going to take that home. And every year, the Dollar Tree always carries these really pretty tin packages. You can use them for baked goods, gifts, or DIYs. Here's one that I did with the mailbox. It came up so cute. Look at that. It's a great decor piece, so make sure you take advantage of those if you see them. And here's plastic cups at my Dollar Tree. They're not really new, but the one on the top is, which I was excited about. They have the little red truck version of it. And as you can see, they're selling out because people are buying them. I'm guessing those also make great little mini gift baskets. You can put like a little mini latte and coffee themed things inside them. Super cute. And a great find at the Dollar Tree are these cranberries by Ocean Spray. I say that because they are literally just cranberries and sugar. That's it. There are no chemicals or preservatives, nothing. Super healthy version of dried fruit. And these, I think these would make great DIYs. I have a great idea for this one, but it's going to have to wait for next year. But look, I found this. This is a treasure find at my Dollar Tree, and I'm grabbing it up for a winter DIY. There's also a package of these white plastic spoons. I have a cute DIY plan for that for spring. I think it will work. I'm hoping it will work, but I'm going to go ahead and pick a package up. It's only $1, and I think it's going to make a super cute DIY. Here's a pretty glassware jar that I grabbed. I love the designs on it. These are always handy to have in your home for little bits and bobs. These are going to make such a great DIY craft for a winter decor piece that I have in mind. So if you see those, make sure you grab them up. I hope you had fun shopping with me. I sure did. And until the next video, breathe deep, fret not, and do things that make you happy.